Hello. So now we will solve the question 2b. So in this, the function is x square minus x cube and minus 1 to 0. So uh, fx is this one. So f dash x is 2x minus 3x square. Uh, if you see x is less than equal to 0, because this is in the range minus 1 to 0, you will find that 3x is less than equal to 0, minus 3x is greater than equal to 0, 2 minus 3x is greater than 2, which is greater than 0. So this factor is greater than 0 and this factor is less than equal to 0. So negative into positive will be negative. So f dash x is negative in this. So the function is actually decreasing. So the graph would be something like this, and we are approximating it with n rectangles of equal length, equal breadth. So the difference in minus 1 to 0 is 1. So if you divide it by n equal parts, then it should be 1 by n. So the first part here is minus 1 plus 1 by n. The second part will be minus 1 plus 2 by n, and so on. So this is the ith rectangle will be minus 1 plus I by n, I minus 1 by n, to I minus 1 plus I by n. So this is our rectangle, and now f of this, we have to find it in we have to approximate using the right hand side, right? So this is the right hand side, minus 1 plus I by n. F of minus 1 plus I by n into delta x. Delta x is 1 by n because all the breadth are equal to 1 by n, and f of minus 1 plus I by n. Now I am taking 1 by n outside. This is f of minus n plus I by n. Now f is x square minus x cube, right? You can see it here. So this is our x square minus x cube. I have written it out. Then yeah, so now this will be if you square it, this will be n square plus I square minus 2 I n by n square. Now minus this cube, this is minus n cube plus I cube plus 3n square I plus 3 minus n I square by n cube. So I am taking the denominator common, n cube. So you will get, it will be n cube, and this will be multiplied by n I square n minus 2 I n square. And this thing, that since the multiply is sitting here, so minus n cube will become n cube, I cube will become minus I cube, this 3n square will become minus 3n square I, and minus 3n I square will become plus 3n I square by n cube. So now n cube and n cube will become 2n cube I square n, and here 3n I square. This will become 4n I square minus 2in square and minus 3n square I. This will become 5n square I, and the last remaining term is minus I cube. So this is there. Now you take n inside, and after dividing, it will be 2 by n, 4 I square by n cube. Then this will be n square minus 5 I by n square. This is minus.
This last term is minus summation of I cube by n to the power 4. So this thing is 2. This is 4 by n cube, and we are plugging in the value of summation I square, and this is from I is equal to 1 to n. So we are using this formula, n into n plus 1 by 2n into 2n plus 1 by 6. So we get this thing, and minus 5 by n square, summation of I. So we are using this formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. So this will with this thing, and then summation of I cube by n4. Uh, Here we are using this formula. All these three formula can be proven using induction. So now this is what is Sm. Okay. Now if you take limit n tend to infinity, now first see that if you take divide by n cube, n will cancel out. This will be 1 plus 1 by n, then 2 plus 1 by n. This will be minus 5 by 2, 1 plus 1 by n. You can see this here, that divide by n square here, divide by n4 here. You will get these terms. When n tends to infinity, this 1 by n will go to 0, this 1 by n will go to 0, this 1 by n will go to 0, 1 by 4n square will go to 0, and 1 by 2n will also go to 0. So these are all the remaining terms. You can calculate it, and you will find that this is 7 by 12. So that's it for question number 2.